PowerPoint Training Online, everybody. Today you're with David, and today we are going to talk about adding in a screenshot or a screen recording, more so, of something that you've done on your computer or something that you can do on your computer. So before we get into that, one thing, please hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying our tutorials, and also don't forget to hit that notification button. That way then you will know when we post a new video. Now let's get into it. So what I want to do today with you is show you how to insert a screen recording. This can be really helpful depending on the type of job you're in and what you're doing. I sometimes work in a technical role, so what I do is I train people how to do systems and stuff like that. What I can do is, if I've got the system on the computer, I can use PowerPoint to create a mini video of myself using whatever system I've got. So let's start, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So open up a slide. It can be any slide, new slide, or something that you've already got, and you want to go to Insert. Then all the way down on the last Media tab, where you'll see Screen Recording, press that, and you will then get a little box appear. So what you need to do is you need to select the area you want to record. So if I press Select Area, I will then get a crosshairs cursor, and I will then be able to draw a box. And then once I'm happy with the size of my box, I can then go in and I can record the pointer or not. I can record audio or not. So what I want to do now is I'm all set up. I'm going to press Record. So we're recording. I want within this box, etc. So what I want to do is I want to open up the folder system, and I can now browse through this. I can now do whatever I want to do. So I want to open a downloads folder, and then I'm going to open a picture which I've downloaded. So I'm then going to open this picture. So if I just double click on that, and there we have it. The picture is opening. Once you're finished and you're happy with your screen recording, to finish it, you can bring your mouse up to the top of the screen, and you get the option for pause or stop. If I press stop, this will now stop the recording and then bring me back to PowerPoint. And it will then see, and you will then get an inserted video, which you can then trim and format as you wish. So if I press the play button, you will see I've got, if I just bring it down to where I was doing something, you can see me doing what I was doing. So again, so we hope this tutorial was helpful for you today. If you would like to see more of what we've done here today, then please let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, because we will be releasing videos every week, generally on a Monday and Friday. So please keep an eye out for them. And until next time, guys, adios.